Hey, got a minute? I'll teach you about how to use tools with chatgpt. Hallucinations are a problem. ChatGPT may say inaccurate information. So how is it that people are able to use it in things like research? We have actually taught ChatGPT how to use tools. It can search for things on the internet, and it can read web pages. Here's how to do it. First, you need to specify the kind of take you want. If you want it realistic and nuanced, you have to say realistic and nuanced. You also have to tell it to go get the information you want. If what you're upset about is that ChatGPT doesn't share your perspective, tell it the perspective that you would like it to use. If you want an indigenous lens, specify an indigenous lens. And then what you actually want, interpret his legacy, not give me information about. ChatGPT then uses WebPilot and identifies correct information, and then it can give you the right lens. Everyone has a viewpoint, and you can't get out from behind yours. ChatGPT has an omni viewpoint. It's able to, due to its lack of ego, adopt any viewpoint that you specify. It has biases, but it does not have the kinds of opinions that you are trying to find within it. But you have to set it up not to fail. Just like when you give a task to any human, you need to be specific about what you want. It can be extremely woke if that's what you want. It can be extremely leftist. And so when I said from an indigenous lens, that's not a phrase that somebody on the right wing will use. And so it kind of knows what you want to talk about. If I used a different memeplex, then it would match my memeplex. ChatGPT is able to adopt values at will. But if you want it to adopt values, you need to specify those values. Don't think of it like it's a human mind where you can find its secret viewpoint by just asking an open-ended enough question. Due to the random nature of ChatGPT, you're just going to get a bunch of random stuff out. But if you give it a direction, it's much better. What you want is better prompt engineering.